Hi, today after the tennis game, I'm over at Stefan's house and he's decorated it really nice for Christmas here in Thailand. There's the Christmas tree. Hello, how are you? And there's the man, Stefan, the owner of this grand mansion in Phuket, Thailand. Oh, let's see. Oh wow, the bananas are huge. Now I'm in the backyard, and this is what.
The garden was already here. Everything existing. The pool was here.
Anyone want coffee and tea?
No, thank you.
Okay.
And yes, I know my girlfriend would love to jump in the pool.
Oh, classic.
You look at the neighbor house. You must look at it.
Oh yeah, it's got different windows. And what's that big tank over there? That's for extra water for
And
shower?
you can play the badminton you talk about.
Yeah.
Yeah. But you have to submit plans to council, right? Not.
No, we didn't change that much.
Right. What?
The house is 20 years old.
No, it's like this was well built.
And we're on the patio deck, second floor.
This one tennis rod.
Yeah,
Remember?
yeah.
So maybe the